Hi, this is making a face mask out of a handkerchief and 2 elastic hair ties from the folder's perspective. 1/3, 2/3. I'm going to gather it, slip on the hair tie, the elastic, slip on the other elastic, all right, so do you see how it makes almost like a pocket? So now I take this and I fold this in, and I don't have to sew it because my face is going to hold it in place. And then I turn this in. There's a good look at what that looks like. There it is. Figure out a way so you can see me. Hello. All right, on it goes. Let me slip over my ears. I adjust it over my nose. And I'm ready to shop. As they say, I protect you, you protect me. You can do this.